In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix version 2.0 in Call of Duty Mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you get this warning when trying to play Call of Duty Mobile, it means that you are running an outdated version of the game. And because you need to play online, everyone needs to be on the same compatible version. So the first thing that I would recommend you to do is to open up the Play Store or the App Store, look for Call of Duty Mobile and see if it says Update in here. If it says Play, it means that you are up to date running the latest version available, but if you have the Update button in here, you have to manually select it and follow the instructions to update the game. I'm doing this process on Android, but it is the same on iOS. You can also enable auto update in order to prevent this from happening in the future. This way, whenever an update launches for Call of Duty Mobile, it will get updated automatically for you. With this step out of the way, you can try to go ahead and open up the game to see if it works. If you still get the error, and for some reason you don't see the update option in here, the only alternative that I would recommend is to completely uninstall Call of Duty Mobile and download it fresh from the Play Store or the App Store. So go into the app settings on your phone, select Clear Data, and you can clear all the data and uninstall the game. The next time you download it from the Play Store or the App Store and run it, it should automatically download all the necessary files, so you won't have to manually update it. But as long as you make sure that you have all the necessary files and you are up to date, you will be able to play COD Mobile. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix version 2.0 in Call of Duty Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.